So this is our multi-tank squat. This machine, you can perform 2 different exercises, the hack squat and the linebacker squat. So this platform has 4 different positions. You have this bottom position here. You can raise this up to the top angle here. And then you have a higher position. And then from that, you have 2 others. Raise this up, you pull this pin, this drops down a little further. Now this position is slightly higher, or this bottom position is slightly higher. We'll go ahead and start with the hack squat. Hack squat, we're focusing on quads, going with that higher angle. Go ahead and walk over to the machine, step inside. You want your back fully on the pad. Get your stance around a shoulder width or slightly outside shoulder width stance. Toes facing forward or slightly outwards. And go ahead and stand up straight. Make sure to keep a slight bend in your knees. You're gonna squat down, press up. When you're ready to rack the weight, press down on the teeter-totter, and the weight's racked right there. The second exercise is for the linebacker. For the linebacker squat, you're gonna be focusing more on the hamstrings and glute. And for that, you want to be at a lower angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm gonna drop it back down to the low angle. Now for this one, we're going to face the machine. Step up here, and you have the top tier shoulder pads. This is where you weight your shoulders for the linebacker squat. Find your foot position. You want to stay around a shoulder width stance. Go ahead and press up. You're going to squat down, stand back up, keeping a slight bend in the knees. Go ahead and squat down, stand up. Same as before, to re-rack the weight, you're going to step on this platform. Go ahead and rack it. And that is our multi-tank squat machine.